Hello everybody, welcome to Willadine's Kitchen. I hope you all are having a nice day today. Today we're going to do a healthy dish. So on the menu we have a roasted beet salad, and I have some ingredients here in front of me. I'm going to run through these real quick with you. So we have some carrots, some nice carrots we got from the farmer's market. We have a nice red bell pepper here that we're going to use, and we have two nice beets here, beetroot that we're going to roast up, and then we have an heirloom tomato which is yellow in color, and we're going to use this tomato as well in our salad. Now to go with the roasted vegetables, we're going to have lots of greens. So we have some baby arugula here, we have some baby romaine, and we also have some baby spinach as well. So this is going to be a leafy green salad along with the roasted beets, and it's to give it some more nutritional healthy value for us, the leafy greens. Now here we have some basil for a little bit of seasoning to go, some fresh basil. Everything in this salad I'm going to try to have as many fresh ingredients as possible. We have a bag of fresh parsley here we're going to use as well, and we have this imported Feta cheese made with sheep's milk. It's 100% sheep's milk Feta cheese, so we're going to throw that in the salad as well. And then I have my customary blend of salt, pepper, and garlic here we're going to use to season our vegetables before we roast them off, and we're going to add some olive oil to that as well. So those are our ingredients. I'm going to get the salad started, then we're going to show you what this healthy dish looks like. Okay everyone, so our first step is to get our vegetables roasted. So what we're going to do here is I've already washed the beets really good, and then I peeled them, took the peel off, so I peeled the beets as well. I washed the carrots, and I have my aluminum foil here. I have my seasonings, and I also have my olive oil. So this is how we prepare to get the vegetables roasted. We're going to take one of these beets, I'm going to place it right in there, and I put some of my seasonings in there as well, and then we drizzle some olive oil just like that, and we take it and we make a nice little package out of it, just like so. And we're going to put this on our parchment lined baking sheet over here. So we're going to do the same thing with the other beet. Some seasoning, drizzle of olive oil, and what we're going to do also, which I forgot to do on the first one, we're going to put a little bit of rosemary in here as well. It's a nice little package. Carrots the same way. We are going to season them first. I'm going to drizzle them with some olive oil. Put some rosemary in here. I'm going to take this, roll it up. And that one's ready for the oven, and our last carrot is right here. Okay, so our roasted vegetables are ready to go in the oven. We're going to put them in a 380 degree oven for 40 minutes. They should be nice and tender by then, and then we'll be ready to add them to our salad. Okay, so these are our vegetables after 40 minutes in the oven. I can smell the rosemary. It has such a fragrant aroma to it. These are very hot right now, so we're gonna let them cool off for a little bit, and then we'll unwrap them and get them ready to put in our salad. All right, so now that our vegetables have been roasted off, we're gonna get started on our salad. So first, let's unwrap our carrot here. And it came out nice. It's nice and soft. I'm gonna cut the end off anyway. Let's go ahead and cut this end off. Right there, yeah, nice soft, tender carrot meat in there. Tastes great. Sweetness of the carrot came out in the roasting in the oven. So we have our beet here. Pretty much the same thing. It's moist, it's soft. We'll give it a taste. And just look at the color of these beets. I mean, there's so much nutritional value in there. It's just amazing. It tastes great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the vegetables out for the salad. I'm going to make a dressing with these fresh herbs. I have some vinegar here. I have some olive oil, fresh herbs, olive oil, vinegar. I got some shallots at the farmer's market today. I got a whole bag of shallots for $2.50, which is almost amazing in itself, because in the grocery store, one shallot costs $2, seems like. And then we have some lemon here. We're gonna squeeze some lemon in our salad dressing as well. Then we have the mixed greens that we talked about earlier. And here's this bag of shallots, just so you can see all of that for $2.50, amazing. So let me go ahead and get the salad started, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like as we get it plated up. Okay, everybody, the salad is finished. I have it plated up here, and it looks very delicious. It has a lot of color to it. So what I've done here is I dressed the leafy greens in our salad dressing that we made, our oil and vinegar and herb dressing, and those are in the center. We have some feta cheese and some tomatoes in there as well, some of the chopped shallots in there also. On the sides here we have our beets, roasted beets, we have our roasted carrots, we have our heirloom tomatoes, and we have some radishes here as well. And everything is sprinkled with some feta cheese and some of our green herbs that we chopped up earlier as well and put in our dressing. So this is what the salad looks like. Nice, colorful, and the good thing, it is very healthy for you. And we're just going to give it a taste here, see what one of these roasted beets tastes like with the dressing and some feta cheese. So the beets taste great. The lemon and the herbs in the dressing really brings out some flavor in the beets. The feta cheese adds a little bit of saltiness to it. So it has some good flavor to it as well. We have some heirloom tomatoes, and we have these carrots here. So let's give the carrots a taste. See, they're nice and soft. We can cut right into them. Oh, very good, very good. I think you would enjoy this salad, especially if you're eating healthy like I am. So I want to thank you for viewing, and I hope you try this recipe at home. And everybody, have a good day. Thank you.